Hey, good morning, guys. This is Dol here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials. And if you really like our tutorial, please leave a like and share it with your friends. So, today in this video, I'll talk about something new. That is how you guys can change the order of tile view in Revit. So, sometimes we need to work on the Revit project, and at that time we need to use the multiple views in a single screen. I mean, in a tile view, we need to work on the project. So whenever we use the tile view command, and Revit won't allow to change the order of tile view in the particular appropriate sequence, and it randomly tile the views. So at a time we face the issue for the reordering of our tile views. So at a time, how can we change the or reorder the tile view in the Revit? So I'll show you in this video. So keep watching till end to understand better. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have one project, and over here we have open one level one, and let me open multiple views over here. So let's open level two. Let's open site view, and let's open 3D view as well. Okay. Now we have opened the multiple views in the Revit project. So now first let me explain the what is tab view and what is tile view. So as you can see over here, we have multiple views are open. So if you observe, I'm switching the views from one tab to another, and at a time on the screen we have only one view on the screen. So that is our tab view. And what is style view? So if we change the multiple views on a single screen, so like this way, this is our tile view. So if you observe here, so Revit will change the all open views to one single screen. Revit will set up the all activated views in a single screen. So this is our tile view. So I hope you are getting my point. What is tab view and what is tile view? Now let back to again. Okay. Now as we have understood about what is tab view and what is style view, so how you guys can change the tab view to tile view, and how you guys can change the tile view to tab view, I'll show you in this tutorial. So as you can see over here, we have open multiple views, and if I wanted to change the tab view to tile view, at that time I'll use this shortcut WT. So as you can see यहाँ पे randomly रैबिट जो है वो सारे जितने भी हमारे व्यूज ओपन है वो सारे व्यूज को यहाँ पे मल्टीपल स्क्रीन में यहाँ पे स्प्लिट कर देता है. सो लाइक दिस वे we can use the tile view command. And now if I wanted to back again to tab view, then I'll use the shortcut TW. So like this way you can uh, reverse back to tab views. So this is our two shortcuts. For the tab view to tile view, we'll use the WT command, and for the tile view to tab view, we'll use the TW command. So I hope you are getting my point. So now let me explain how you guys can reorder the sequence of different tile views. So let me go to our screen, and let me change the views to tile view. For that I'll use the WT command. So यहाँ पे हमारे सारे views जो है वो tile view में यहाँ पे convert हो गए हैं. So now if I wanted to keep the level one in this screen, and if I wanted to keep level 2 in this screen, and I'll keep site plan over here on this screen, and at the end I'll keep the 3D view on this screen. So how can we reorder the tile view in the Revit? So first of all, you need to just open another extra view on each screen. So just I am opening one view for the first screen over here. Let's say I'm opening this 3D view, and for this screen, I'll open another view. Let's say this one, and again, similar way, we'll open different views, one extra view on each uh, splitted part. I mean, each tile view. So यहाँ पे हम let's say this one view 3, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now uh, let's go to our main views. That is our level 1, site, 3D, and level 2. And if you observe, these are entry, kitchen 1, living 2, and view 3 are extra views. So we'll remove later, but for now, we'll keep in the each tile view. Now, let me explain how you guys can reorder or how you guys can change the sequence of tile view. Suppose मुझे level 1 इस view में चाहिए, then I'll simple drag this view to this tile view. So level 1 यहाँ पे आ चुका है. Similar way मुझे इस view में यहाँ पे level 2 चाहिए, then I'll simple drag and draw. So यहाँ पे level 2 आ गया है. Simple. Over here I need the level 3 over here. I mean site plan we need in this tile view. So over here we have tile view. Just drag and drop over here like this way. And at the end, we'll keep 3D view over here. So let's drag and drop 3D view. So if you observe here, we have set up the level 1. We have reordered the all views, tile views in the Revit. So level 1 we kept over here, level 2 we kept over here, level 3 I mean site plan we have kept over here, and at the end 3D view we have set up in this screen. So now we'll remove all extra views which we had open in the Revit. So let's close all views. So as you can see, now we have set up the order of all tile view based on our requirement. So like this way, you can you can change the order of tile view in the Revit, and whenever you need to work on a multiple views on a single screen at that time, you can use the tile view, and like this way you can reorder or you can change the order of tile view. So I hope you understood the whole process to change the order of tile view in Revit. So if you really like our tutorial, and if it is helpful to you, then please leave a one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.